Hey Miranda, Coach Miranda Miner here. On the way na tayo to PTV4 sa QC. I'm now preparing myself para talagang tayo ay ready with my script. Technically may script pa din tayong pina-follow kasi mahirap maging live kasi yun eh. Mahirap mag-adlib ng wala kang thought process. Ganito ako pag nagpe-prepare, yung script ko nasa telepono na, and then chillax lang. Mas nakaka-add ng relax itong bagong sasakyan ni Coach Miranda. So, this is an Alphard. So, relax. I have everything that I need. So, I have tubig. Kung matanda, mayroon akong white flower. Minsan kailangan ko yung mga travel. Tapos yun, excited na kami. Time check, it's 7:04. Yung interview is around 9. Pero I need to be in the studio ng 8 for puro konting makeup lang yan. Tapos review with the producers. Yan. Topic nga pala is about the opinion of the Cryptocurrency Trader Association about the blockchain bills na final ngayon sa both the lower house and then sa Senate. Excited ako. I hope you learned something from our interview in Pambansang Crypto Coach, Coach Miranda Miner. Salamat kay Miranda.